Hello friends, it's Debbie from refreshfreestyle.com, and today I'm sharing a new Chalk Couture project. I am a designer for Chalk Couture, and I'm sharing today is a good day for a good day. On the back of every transfer, there are directions for how to use the chalk paste, how to use the transfer, how to care for the transfer. So if you forget, like I do sometimes, all you got to do is flip it over and the directions are on the back for you. Here I am fuzzing the transfer, and what this does, it helps to make the transfer easier to remove after you've used it on your project. They are very sticky, and when you're finished with your chalk project, all you have to do is wash them in a pan or sink of cold water to remove the dried chalk paste and to remove the fuzzing. I'm lining it up on this black chalkboard, and for this project, I'm using one color, and it's Chalkology paste, Thai teal. It's a beautiful teal, shade of teal, and it looks good on everything. You could also do each section of this in a different color. You could do it in white. There are so many different colors that you could choose from to do this project. And Chalkology also offers an ink, so you could actually put it on a tote or a t-shirt or whatever you'd like. I'm just going to add the chalk paste to my transfer and make sure that all of the letters are covered, and I kind of scrape off any excess and put it back into the jar. You really don't have to use that much paste. You just need to make sure that you have every area covered. I like this saying, and it's great for any room, your office, your kitchen, whatever, because truly every day is a good day for a good day. It reminds me of Joanna from my favorite HGTV show, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, here I am removing the excess chalk paste, and as you can see, a little goes a long way, and you can really, I need to count how many projects I can use. And I am now removing the transfer. As you can see, it's still pretty sticky, and you can, after you clean these, you can use these over and over again. I'm trying to make sure that I don't let the transfer stick to itself. And just 1 second, you will see the reveal. I think it turned out really cute, and I can't wait to try this on a t-shirt.